If you're looking for a self-hosted alternative to Google Photos, you might want to check out Immich. But does it really live up to the promise of providing a seamless photo management experience? Let's dive into what this platform offers. Immich is designed to give you more control over your photo storage by allowing you to host your own image library. The core functionality revolves around uploading, organizing, and sharing photos without relying on third-party cloud services. Right off the bat, the user interface feels quite modern and straightforward, which can appeal to both tech-savvy users and those new to self-hosting. One of the standout features is the ability to create albums and share them easily, which mimics what you'd expect from mainstream services. However, it's worth noting that while the platform is packed with features, there's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to setting everything up, especially if you're not familiar with self-hosting. The intended audience seems to be privacy-conscious individuals or those wanting to bypass traditional storage solutions. But I did notice that some documentation is lacking, which could leave new users a bit confused. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Immich offers excellent privacy since you control your own data. The interface is user-friendly, and once you get the hang of it, it can be a solid alternative to Google Photos. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The setup process can be daunting for those who aren't tech-savvy, and there's limited community support or tutorials available, which raises some trust concerns. Additionally, while it's free to use, you'll need to consider the costs associated with hosting your own server, which might not be appealing for casual users. Immich might suit those who prioritize privacy and are comfortable with tech, but if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Immich is a compelling choice for users wanting a self-hosted photo management system, especially if privacy is a priority. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those who prefer simplicity without the hassle of setup. If you're willing to put in the effort, it's definitely worth a shot.